Molweni. In this video we are going to look for more than one person. We are going to, in the isiXhosa state, ukufuna, to look for abantu, people. And I want you to take note of the frequent use of the ba in the questions and answers. So here we have the scenario of looking for Zolile and Thando. So in isiXhosa, siyabafuna Zolile. We are looking for them, namely Zolile and company, but specifically Uzolile no Thando. Possible questions, imibuzo. Where are they? Baphi. Baphi. And we say Baphi because Zolile and Thando are abantu, they are people, and there you can see the ba. Are they here? Zolile bakhona. Are they here? Have you seen them? You, ba, them, bonile, have seen. Ubabonile Zolile. Have you not seen them yet? Aku, you not, ka, yet, ba, them, boni, have seen. Aku kababoni Zolile. Have they arrived? Sebe fikile. Sebe fikile. Sebe, have they already? Fikile, arrived. Some possible impendulo, responses, answers. I don't know this time about them. Andibazi. They are not here. Abakho or abekho. They are not at work today. Aba pangelanga namhlanje. So the positive would be ba, they have, and the negative aba, they not. All negatives begin with a negative a. So aba pangelanga namhlanje, and they have just gone out. Ba puma ngoku, or ba sa pumile, which is a idiomatic colloquial expression. They have just gone to the shop. Basaye evenkileni. I have not seen them yet. Hayi andika baboni. No, they have not arrived yet. Hayi abaka fiki. So the positive ba, the negative aba. They have gone home. Ba godukile. Goduka, go home. Godukile, have gone home. Some further impendulo or responses. They are at home today. Basekhaya namhlanje. They are in Cape Town. Basekapa. They are at the shop. Basevenkileni. They have gone to work. Bapangele. They will be here tomorrow. Baza kuba khona ngomso. Basekhaya, basekapa, basevenkileni, baphangele. Baza kuba khona ngomso. If they are in fact here, where could they be? Ukuba bakhona, baphi. So first of all, the response, they are in fact here somewhere. Ewe bakhona. Just busy at the moment. Base, busy. And you can use the okwangoku as of now. They are in a meeting. Base meetingini. They are in class. Base klasini. They are just having some tea. Basaphunga. And you can use et as an optional, but punga means to have a hot drink. They are coming now, coming soon. Bayeza ngoku. Bayeza ngoku. And then suddenly Zolile and friends appear. Ku vela o Zolile. Here they are, close by, na ba. Here they come, na ba besiza. There they are, a little further away, na bo. And there they are, some distance further away, na baya. And very much the same vocabulary used again. Punga, to have a hot drink. Za, come. Puma, go out. Ya, go to. Bona, see. Fika, arrive. Goduka, go home. So what we also then notice that fika means arrive, yet fikile, have arrived. Goduka, go home. Godukile, to have got home. Bona, see. Bonile, to have seen. But more about that in future videos. Enkosi kakhulu.